Hi and welcome to another Java interview question. In this question, you are given a list of integers and you need to write a function which spits out all the prime numbers in the list. The only condition being you have to use Java 8 streams. So let's see how we can do this. So here we have our list, and if we do a list dot stream, you can also use a parallel stream here if you want to. So here we need only elements which are greater than 1, and filter takes a predicate, so let's create a predicate. So here we have our predicate. You can remove this part and we'll have our number, and number needs to be greater than 1. So this is our first predicate. Now we need a list of prime numbers, so we only need prime numbers here. So let's have our second predicate is prime number, and let's create our prime number predicate. So let's remove this from here, go to the end. Here we are going to get the number and we'll pass it to the isPrime number function, which is going to give us a true and false. So let's create our prime number function. Now here we have to use Java 8 stream. If you have seen my previous interview videos, we have something called an int stream, and here we have something called a range. So if you remember, a prime number is a number which can only be divided by itself and 1. So if any other number divides it cleanly, basically if you get a remainder of 0 when mod by that number, then it's not a prime number. So if we start by 2 and go to number divided by 2, the logic being any number can be divided cleanly only by a range which is half of that number. If you go beyond that, then you will get a remainder for sure if you mod it. So this is our range, and now we are going to use our all match. All match takes a int predicate and returns whether all elements of this stream match the provided predicate. So our condition is that does not, let's make it smaller, mod and get remainder as 0. So this is nicely named, and if you see, all match returns a boolean. So if we do a return here, we simply need to create the int predicate. So here we have our int predicate, and here we'll get the first number from the range. Let's name it as range number, and if we simply take this range number and our input, so number mod range number, the answer should never be 0. Okay, here we have a typo, and let's simply collect this maybe in a list, name this as integer result, and then print the result. So here we have one prime number 13, and we have our answer as 13. So that's how you can solve this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.